Excuse you? Are you kidding me?
What is happening? Avery? Do you mind, miss? Do you mind not sitting on my donuts? Excuse me. Oh my God.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Sometimes you'll find a place where you just fit, where each part of you feels right and nestled in.
Wow, what a nice bed that is. That looks so comfortable, Mila. So soft, huh?
Get in the box.
I love my kitty cat, yes I do. I love my kitty cat, oh I do. And all I want to do is to give her lots of love, give her lots of love and a kiss and a hug. I love my kitty cat, yes I do.
Нормально. Срочно в коробку надо залезть.
Обратно я пиздал.
Everyone who has a cat knows that after this happens, you are legally required to stay in the same position until he or she decides to move.
Yeah, get in there.
Joey! It's way too small.
No, he's gonna make it work.
There you go, Joe. You fit perfectly. There's no fat thing out at all.
Joey! Oh my God!
Paul, throw something up there. Oh, You're next. You're next. Here it comes. Here it comes. I got it all.
Oh my god! That was amazing! Wait, I got. Let me see. Let me.
But I let you drift away. My love, where are you?
Give here.
All right, all ready.
Why is it spicy?
My son died.
Not great!
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
I don't like when you sit there and you stare at me and act like you're better than me. You don't rule the roost. I do. This is my apartment. I don't know why you think that you're better than all of us in here. You've done nothing to help out the house. You haven't cleaned, you haven't cooked, you haven't done anything but be a... Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. One, two, three.
Being a little brat. Stop. Stop thumping. Stop being mad.
I am so excited. Today is gonna be so much fun. It's fucking colder than a witch's tit out there!
Here's a tutorial about how to properly wear your mask by yours truly, me. This is not how you do it. This is whack. Also, you don't put it on your paw. And also, you don't do this. I see people doing this. That's not right. This is just silly. You can't do that. Not at all. I don't know what I look like, but this can't be right. This is how you do it. You put it over your face and you talk to your friends. Also, it goes over your ears, so make sure you get one that fits. Okay.